Welcome once again to Sim Action Cars Review channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the bell button and also, comment down below. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the 2023 Toyota Sequoia, so sit down, relax, grab a drink and I'll tell you everything you need to know about this luxury vehicle. The 2023 Sequoia's makeover carries it nearer to its huge SUV rivals, however we wish Toyota had focused harder on common sense and driving verve. The Toyota Sequoia has forever been a regular, three-line SUV in view of the foundation of the Tundra pickup truck. That doesn't change with the new age showing up for the 2023 model year. The rest does. The new model is definitely more present-day than the obsolete second-age Sequoia it replaces, which has been around for over 10 years. The new Sequoia comes standard with the Tundra's iForce Max crossbreed powertrain, which joins a 3.4-liter V6 engine with an electric engine for a sum of 437 drive. Inside, it offers an enormous touchscreen with the most recent programming, alongside 3-line lodge with seating for up to 8 travelers. While the modernization allows the Sequoia a superior opportunity to contend with opponents, for example, the Chevy Tahoe and Passage undertaking, the Toyota's inside space and freight region hamper its reasonableness. The Sequoia has been upgraded for 2023 and rides on a similar underpinnings as the new Tundra, Land Cruiser, and the Lexus LX 600. It's accessible just as a crossover and elements another look all around. The restricted trim seems to offer the best worth in the setup. Despite the fact that it's only one move forward from the base SR5, it accompanies a lot of extra treats as standard. Those things incorporate a bigger 14.0-inch touchscreen, a power liftgate, 20-inch wheels, warmed and cooled front seats, and a power-collapsing third line. The Sequoia comes standard with the iForce Max crossover powertrain that is discretionary in the Tundra pickup. This powertrain is contained a twin-super 3.4-liter V6 engine and an electric engine that produce a sum of 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of force. The Tundra's 10-speed program transmission continues to the Sequoia SUV also. Back tire drive is standard, with 4-wheel drive discretionary on most renditions, and standard on the rough terrain arranged TRD Ace model. The TRD Expert likewise accompanies rough terrain hardware, for example, overhauled Fox dampers, a front pallet plate, a locking back differential, and produced 18-inch wheels with 33-inch tires. During our underlying test drive, we were satisfied with the Sequoia's agreeable ride and calm lodge, yet less so with its on-street driving way of behaving. Its far-reaching feeling out and about makes it hard to put in a path, something we've whined about in other huge SUVs as well, and its featherweight directing exertion can cause it to feel skittish while cruising. Whenever we get an opportunity, we'll put the Sequoia through a lot of hardship at our test track and update this story with test results. The new Sequoia's mixture arrangement makes it altogether more proficient than the active model. Back tire drive models are EPA appraised at 8.92794 km per liter city, 10.20336 km per liter expressway, and 9.35308 km per liter consolidated. Selecting 4-wheel drive drops those numbers a little, to 8.07766 km per liter city, 9.35308 km per liter expressway, and 8.5028 km per liter consolidated. At the point when we get our hands on the Sequoia, we'll run it on our true 120.7008 km per hour throughway efficiency test. The Sequoia's huge inside go on in this new age, with a third column of seats as standard gear. A second column seat arrangement with 8 traveler limit is standard, with discretionary second-line chief seats lessening the quantity of seats to 7. Headroom is restricted in both of the back columns, especially when outfitted with the discretionary all-encompassing sunroof. With a great many trim levels accessible, the inside decorations run the range from material to calfskin upholstery in differing levels of wood and chrome trim as you stroll up the cost stepping stool. Higher trim levels offer elements including warmed and cooled second-line situates, an all-encompassing sunroof, and a top-notch sound system. The Sequoia's freight region isn't quite as obliging as different adversaries. With the back seat being used, there's just 12 cubic feet of freight space, and collapsing the third line down doesn't bring about a level burden floor. The old Sequoia's dated touchscreen arrangement has been traded out for the huge 14.0-inch touchscreen tracked down in the Tundra. This screen comes standard on everything except the base SR5 and will utilize Toyota's most recent infotainment programming, which offers every conceivable kind of cell phone reflecting and other network choices, including a Wi-Fi area of interest and different music streaming choices. The Sequoia's all-suitable driver help highlights come norm in all cases. For more data about the Sequoia's accident test results, visit the Public Expressway Traffic Security Organization, NHTSA, and Protection Establishment for Interstate Well-Being, IIHS, sites. Key well-being highlights include standard forward impact advance notice and robotized crisis slowing down, standard path takeoff cautioning and path keeping help, standard versatile voyage control. Toyota's restricted and powertrain guarantees are like large numbers of the Sequoia's standard SUV rivals. Notwithstanding, Toyota offers free plan support as a pleasant reward. Restricted guarantee covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain guarantee covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Free support is covered for a very long time or 25,000 miles. Particulars: 2023 Toyota Sequoia. Vehicle type: front engine, 2 or 4-wheel drive, 7 or 8 traveler, for entryway cart. I'm glad that you now fully understand this vehicle. Would you kindly do me the favor of subscribing to this channel and pressing the notification bell button so that you are notified as soon as we upload another video like this. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.